don't have an opening or operating lid on a tuna can. Whoa!
And that's how you do it.
And that's how you get a tuna can open. Okay, now that Guy is done the stairs right behind me here, let's go for a tour. Can I step on these?
The trim is not.
Don't touch the trim. So Guy just finished up the stairs. They're drying. Might have been yesterday, I don't even know. And trim, look at that going on. So metal on the sides here. We've got some steel. And then we've got the continued Audacity flooring on the treads. Bench is still there, looking good. Handles are on. Look at that area. This is our custom L couch. This turns into a bed. This is a custom entertainment center. And that is an entry pantry. We got all of our windows in now. This one opens. And then picture, 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 picture. Those are some uppers for extra storage. This right here is our huge fridge. This right here is a custom, apron sink. I can't get over the amount of space in here with this roof raise. Mind-boggling. This is a very fancy oven range combo from Furrion. This is our microwave. These are drawers. These are super cool custom floating shelves made by Christian or Guy. Or maybe John. I think Christian. This right here is the neatest little bar top. Stools come off the wall. Okay, that's it for the front of the bus. Let's go for a tour into the bedroom and bathroom. This is our power system. Closet handles are also in. Look at that. Adjustable shelves, a clothes hanger can be tossed in there if they want. That's an entertainment unit. Whoa. Okay, so don't smack the drawer covers or door covers, because they'll open. Okay, that's new. That is the cutest little sink I have ever seen. This is obviously the laundry machine. This right here is the cutest little baby sink you ever saw. This right here is our composting toilet from Airhead. This is our shower system behind me. Okay. And that is it for the Beluga tour. This is the driver cockpit, and this is an awesome office desk. That's all 40 feet of the Beluga. Almost done, hardware's on. I think Frankie's estimating, I'm not gonna give you an estimate, I don't wanna get in trouble here.
What's up, buddy?
Okay, so it's Tuesday. We've got a good start to the week. Very short work week ahead of us. What are we looking at here? Okay, so Monday, we organized, basically Christian got the schedule ready. He was gonna be away for Thursday, Friday. We started with an absolute heat wave. That kind of worked us into the week at 35 degrees Celsius. We are going through an absolute heat wave. It is 33 degrees outside right now, and the sun's beaming, but I'm not complaining. Not complaining at all. It's dangerous. Love the heat, but it is getting very hot if you don't have air conditioning, which we do not in the shop. I feel for you guys out west. I don't think I could handle 48 degrees Celsius. What did we get up to here? So we hit about 35 degrees Celsius. Not sure what that is in Fahrenheit. I'm gonna guess around 90, 85? 27 is 80?
Yeah.
So yeah, 85, 90. Wednesday night, I plan on taking we still don't have a name for it. Its original name was Rosebud. That's the vintage bus we just did a quick reno on. It's gonna take its maiden voyage up to Emma Lake. Hopefully that goes well. Okay, we are about to embark on our first vintage tour bus trip. Heading up to Emma Lake. It is currently 10 o'clock p.m. Figured the late start would be a little bit colder to drive on, and I don't think it's any better. It's still 30 degrees out. All right, wish me luck. Okay, I don't know if you can see me. Did not go well. Low oil light came on. I think it's just tricking us. I think it's just a wire that's loose, but regardless, it's now 11:30 p.m. and no tow truck can come get me tonight. So I don't know what to do. Not a good night. Was just about to sit down to a wonderful, is the sound on? To a beautiful discussion, but we have a visitor. Sister dropped in to hopefully buy a van. Okay, today we have some extra help. Logan is back, did a little bit of work. I think they were building some, what would you call them?
Storage racks.
Some metal storage racks. But Logan brought his brother along, Tyler.
It's a family reunion.
And wagered a deal, got out of 8 hours of work by bringing a second helper. So they did 4 hours, and now they're going for a surf.